10 years after. Busier than now, noisier than now is a possibility. But 2 months ago, 4 months ago, I found two little sculptures on status basis. KFC. I just asked, hey, what is next? McDonald's or Starbucks? Huh? I wish no, because there are nice coffee shops here, nice burgers, and the best chicken here in Colombia. The best chicken.
Yeah.
Fried chicken is
Yeah.
frisbee.
Yeah.
The random
Yeah.
frisbee.
Best fried chicken in Colombia.
It's fried.
Gotta try it.
This is the random
Yeah.
with honey.
Yeah. See, I told you.
Yeah. Ay, cámate, mamacita.
Well, but now it works. It's gonna say the neighborhood or sector. It was built between the 70s. My parents are right here to the 78. And my grandpa, hey Christian, all of this it was green. The mountain. Then it was a transition from the mountain to the bricks. Sorry, to the slabs. The slabs to the bricks. And between the 90s, we got the legal public services and legal license. We are the legal neighborhoods. Only for the first floor, because it was the only one legal floor in that time. The only one floor in that time. But then the people built their second floor, third floor without permission, fireworks.
Oh, okay. All right, good to know. We were talking about something earlier.
The match today.
Right.
It was 7 years ago. So, then the neighbors built their second floor without permission, and then they were taken to the legal license. Hey, city, can I build something my terrace? No, it's dangerous. It's already done. Come on. Okay, do it. Build it. It works. I built my house on the second floor. It is not legal here, illegal. They are illegal because I got the legal public services. The water, the potable water, the gas pipe, electricity, telephone, television, internet. So, it looks like not, but it works.
Yeah.
And electricity, 45 hours per day. Internet.
His feet smashed.
So it is ugly because of my companies up here. Doesn't matter. Trying to find this in the Poblado.
I got so much YouTube stuff.
And every single house here is another number. The number of my house in Spanish. Spanish.
Are you able to order food?
Now, yes.
Stuff up.
So
Stuff up. They won't know how to get to your place.
they know the Uber Eats.
Okay.
Uber Eats, no. Kind of a local.
Oh, pick up one.
The Uber Eats to the main street, but they say, no, here, no, I'm gonna stay here because I don't want to get lost in the neighborhood. But Amazon, it works. 10 chain, it works late, but works. But taxes, monthly on time comes by.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Taxes, taxes. COVID taxes. For example, my address is calle 35 de número 108 32 interior 200. Trying to find my house. Wonderful guys. I'm trying to find our house here. That's why I say no. I don't want to get it done. But it works. Now it works. What about before 2018? Why? Because it was dangerous. Even the corner, this corner, it was the most dangerous visible border to the sector. Why? Because some guys were watching street from here to the top to the bottom, the corner to the other side to this corner. That's why you say, what about families living around this place? And what about the family living that house? So, look at the wall. That hero from Brazil, Michael Davis. So around the base, there are some people homes. And after 2018, the art. So this mural painting
Oh,
by
yeah.
Michael Davis from Brazil, represented favelas and the comunas. After 2018. The behind of you, the new one painted by two local artists asking for permission. Hey, can we paint something here? Yes, for sure. Something related to Colombia and folklore, cumbia. She's representing Totola Momposina. Cumbia dancer. Subiendo la corriente. And the cumbia singer, the cumbia dancer. So Totola Momposina, she was painted by Maca Paint from Australia, and the girl by Melis from De La Casa. Los fans de la casa. So, desde Francia, como mucho.
This one, oh, this one. Earthly flowers. God damn, that's so strong.
Puffing and puffing over here. Man.
This is where one of the local vandals here in Medellin painting graffitis around Latin America, around Medellin. But around Medellin has been painting nice, very nice graffitis. This is where. And I know this. That is a masterpiece because there is a big shape behind of the graffiti, and at the same time that is the wild style because of the letters are mixed, as mixed as better because it's hard to read it, but those are codes for the same vandals. That's why in the past the graffiti here was prohibited because of the graffitis were describing the gangsters or the guerrillas. ELN, FARC, CAP, EPL. That's why it was prohibited. And nowadays it is allowed because it is considered art here in Comuna. This vandal has been supporting the kids by a social program named as Graffiti Kids. Has been teaching for free how to paint graffitis around Colombia. So I let them as these kind of initiatives because this is my first passion, the people, community. That's why in 2013 I was thinking, how can I improve the community? I never expect having visitors here, but I found in English is the best way. I was learning English by myself, watch YouTube videos from England. The channel, it is the Birthday with Matthew, something like that. It was fun. But then, it was kind of an Amazon unboxing. And then in 2014, I went to the private university for free because of a scholarship here, Comuna 13. I became into an English teacher in 2019, but I paid the 10% of the whole career. It was too much for me. That's why my transportation, my bicycle, going down, 60 minutes, going up, 2 hours, the beginning. Because at the end, 20 minutes going down, 30 minutes going up. Strong legs, strong legs, good shape, just to be. Just a strong legs. And in 2017, I was looking for a place to practice my English skills. There were some volunteers in Comuna 13. They were from Japan, Australia, England, the States. It was so cool because they were teaching English by gardening. So we were doing something, learning something in Comuna 13. It was cool, the contribution to the society. And then in 2018, I was so scared because my purpose it was to teach English for free. My classmates, Christian, for free. What about the money? That's my business, I don't know. But it's my intention, for free, because what about the poorest communities? And what about the expensive programs in Colombia? English programs, it's so expensive. That's why, guys, the poorest communities waiting for us, for the resources, for the opportunities. That's why it was my first day as a teacher. So, it was nervous.